legal view botting is essentially view embedding. And there's this, like, Twitch kind of does it themselves with their main page, right? Like if you go to twitch.tv, like this is an embedded view. As soon as you come in, it's a view, you open it and it counts towards the viewership, right? Twitch does this a lot with sponsored content. No offense, Twitch. Twitch, this is just me stating observations. So if you guys have noticed, whenever there's a sponsored segment in collaboration with Twitch, the viewership for that channel is absorbently high. Inabsorbently high, much higher than usual. That's because Twitch would embed the channel onto like the landing pages so that it would have an artificial boost of viewers. So if they work with, say, Samsung, and Samsung's like, yo, Twitch, we want to collaborate. We want to sponsor some of your streamers. How much viewers are they going to get? Twitch can then say, wow, they can get a lot of viewers. They can get 20,000 viewers. It's like, wow, 20,000 viewers, Twitch, that's a lot of viewers. Let's do it. But what Samsung doesn't know, that Twitch is doing things on their side to make that numbers really high. Someone said Blizzard with Overwatch. Yes, Blizzard, you know, when they want to make Overwatch League a thing and everyone's telling them, stop trying to make Overwatch League a thing, it's not going to be a thing. But they didn't give a shit because they're getting hundreds of millions from investors. Now, how do you convince the investors that it's paying off? Well, you show them a big viewership number. Wow, how do you get a big viewership number? Easy. You make content that a lot of people want to watch. Problem is, Blizzard sucks at that. So they did the next big thing, which is to fudge the numbers so that they can present it to the investors like, hey, look, big numbers. They embed their Overwatch League streams onto their Blizzard launcher and onto a lot of websites that they can get their hands on. So it artificially inflates the viewership, so that when they present this number to the old geezers at these investment companies, they're like, ooh, big number good. Big number real good. But then something gets weird, because these investors, they look at the returns they're getting on the Overwatch League, and something doesn't add up. Like, Blizzard, you're telling me we have all these viewers, yet only like, it looks like only a couple percentage of them are interacting with chat, like going on social media and talking about it, buying merchandise. What gives, Blizzard? Something's kind of sus. So that's why the Overwatch League is failing really hard. That's why a lot of investors are pulling out of the esports scenes, because they got fed a load of bullshit by big companies. Alright, so they think, wow, it looks like esports is just not worth investing into. And it kind of fucks everyone over, because all these millions and millions of dollars that could be going to good content is instead wasted. It's just gone. And these investors don't want to come back because they got screwed out of their money. So